Did you forget that Ahrefs, the provider of SEO toolkits, has announced plans to launch its own search engine in 2019? If you answered yes, you're not alone. Ahrefs has been busy in those 3 years since, launching a new search engine called Yep. Today, we'll tell you the most interesting story about it. You're on the Jelvix channel, Tech in 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe not to miss new videos. Ahrefs is one of the most popular and most sought-after SEO tools-making companies. This has different tools such as site audits, link building, rank tracking, and finding the most efficient keywords for your content and website. Ahrefs was founded by Dmitry Gerasimenko in 2010. The company operates the biggest commercial web crawler, Ahrefs Bot, which constantly adds and updates links in its 12 trillion link databases. By the way, if you want to know the benefits of SEO for software development companies, check out the article we've prepared. The link is in the description. Ahrefs has invested nearly $60 million to build Yep, a new search engine that plans to support the author economy by sharing 90% of ad revenue with authors. Yep is still in the early stages of development, but aims to improve the quality of search results and respect user privacy to compete with industry leaders like Google. Do you think the world needs another search engine? Share in the comments section. But how does Ahrefs hope to survive in the ocean that a big shark like Google controls? It differentiates from the others by providing a 90-10 profit-sharing model for creators. This approach rewards professionals, independent media, and enthusiasts for their contributions, and encourages the creation of high-quality content to populate any particular search results web page. This strongly motivates content creators to publish high-quality content. High level of privacy. Yep will not store, collect, or share your personal information with anyone, which means that you're in complete control of your data and privacy. Since it will not have third-party search indexing, your search query will be protected from third-party services. Moreover, Yep uses its own index database. All the search results are from the data collected by Ahrefs Bot web crawler since 2010. Yep says that it will use Yep Bot to crawl and index pages in the future. What's the idea behind Yep? Dmitry Gerasimenko, Ahrefs founder and CEO, answered the question in this way. Creators who make search results possible deserve to receive payments for their work. We saw how YouTube's profit-sharing model made the whole video-making industry thrive. Splitting advertising profits 90-10 with content authors, we want to give a push towards treating talent fairly in the search industry. Although Yep is very fast in comparison to different search engines, and its design is exquisite, there's no clear information on how to conduct transactions between users and the company to share advertising revenue. But if Ahrefs can achieve privacy for users and give content creators these many profits, you'll gain incredible success in this case. In your opinion, can Yep surpass Google in popularity? This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. We help top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We share the latest news about tech trends and innovations. So make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. Also, share which topics we need to cover next on our channel. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.